All right, hi guys. Let's try this problem. It's on the side there on the right. I'll read it. It's problem number 10. If the circle with center O has area 9 pi, what is the area of equilateral triangle ABC? All right, so hopefully we know that an equilateral triangle has all side lengths are the same. All right, that's going to be crucial. Let's first use this bit of information about the area. So look, here's a circle. It says with center O, if the area of that circle is 9 pi, any circle, to get the area, you do pi r squared, okay? So pi r squared must equal 9 pi because this is the formula for the area of a circle. Now you can divide by pi, which cancels these, so you end up with 9 equals r squared. And therefore, when you take the square root of each side, you get a positive and a negative 3. So you get r could be equal to 3 or negative 3. But this one we reject because a radius is a length, right? And we can't have negative length. So we're going to stick with this answer here. Okay, so the radius is 3 of that circle. And so what that means for if you look at the picture on the right, I'll draw it here as best I can. It's a little hard to get straight lines, but okay. If that radius is 3, and all radii are the same length in a circle, so that's also 3. So what that means is that whole thing, yeah, the length of that is 6. Okay? So now, just dealing with the triangle, that's the height. This is called the height of the triangle. Yeah? And the height is equal to 6, as we can see. So now, and we also know the formula for it says, what is the area of the triangle? The formula for an area of a triangle, one of them, is 1/2 base times height. Well, we have the height, 1/2 is a constant. We just need to know the base length. Here's the bit of the tricky part. Let's look at this. Let's look at this triangle again. And equilateral triangles also are equiangular, which means they all have 60 degrees here. Okay? So if I drop a perpendicular line like that, this becomes what's called bisected. All right? Bisected means you're cutting it in half. And then this bit here is 30 degrees. Okay? So let's see what the implications of that are. If you go over here, right, and that's the height we said was 6. Now we have a 30, 60 right triangle. This is called a 30, 60, 30 degree, 60 degree right triangle. And 30, 60 right triangles have a fixed ratio of sides, okay? If this is the 30, 60, they have, let me color code it again. Their side lengths are known as x, 2x, x root 3. That means that in any 30, 60 right triangle, the shortest side is across from the 30 here. It's your base side, call it x, which makes the hypotenuse twice as long, 2x, and then the side across from 60 is square root of 3 times your base side. Okay, that's a fixed ratio for all 30, 60 right triangles. So, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find this side, aren't we? Well, let's do it this way. See how the triangles are oriented in the same direction? That means that for us, 6 is equivalent to that. Okay? So, to find x, which we need, we set 6 equal to x root 3. We divide by x. Okay? However, there's more to it. This needs to be rationalized. Okay? We don't like square roots on the bottom. Mathematicians don't like that because I won't get into that. But basically, we want to get rid of that. And we multiply this This is equal to 1, isn't it? So this doesn't change. This thing I put in brackets doesn't change the fraction. But it does allow us to do negative 3, root 3 times root 3 is 3 over 6 root 3. 3 goes into 6 twice, so we end up with 2 root 3 is equal to x. Okay? But remember, x is this, is that side there, okay? X is this. We want 2x because 2x is the length of the side of the triangle. So if that's x and that's 2x, you double it. 2 times, basically you have 2 times 2 root 3. That becomes 4 root 3. This is very important. This is the side of the triangle. And if we come here, each side is 4 root 3, yeah? Because it's equilateral. So these are also all equal. So basically now we're almost there. If we come back to our area formula in the upper right hand corner, the area of the triangle is 1/2. The base is any of the sides times the height, which we said was 6. 4 times 6 is 24 over 2 root 3. 24 over 2 is 12. Okay, that's it. That is the area. This is the area of the triangle. So we've answered it. So the answer then, if you look at it, is C down there here. C. Thanks.